Nauzaje?
50.
What? Imepanda hivyo? Imeiva?
Ziko sawa. Na ile nimekatia mtu hapo iko sawa kabisa.
Sawa, asante. Na una nyanya? Unajua nyanya inaambatana na kitunguu. Nyanya ina ni tamu. Ndogo ni 40. Leta ile smart kabisa. Nyanya kubwa. How are you, good people? How are you, my friends? I trust you are good. On my side, I'm also doing good. Welcome back to my channel. I have a video with me here. I'm going to do something different. Today we are going the healthiest way, guys. I have potatoes. Everything you see here is clean. I'm going to reveal what I'm going to make later on. With me here, just see this avocado, guys, the way it is huge. I have oranges, so yummy and juicy. I also have a mango. Just see how beautiful and nice it looks. It's so juicy. Then I have carrots, guys. Just see, very huge carrots. Everything here is very healthy. Just see. Then I have this, an apple. I'm also going to use this apple, one piece. I have zucchini, very healthy and nice. Just have a closer look, guys. Zucchini or cucumber, the way you can just call it, doesn't matter. Then I have eggs, 4 eggs. I have 2 large tomatoes or tomatoes. Just see, healthy and fresh. Also have this, just a small piece of onion. I don't need so much onions today. Last but not least, coriander leaves, guys. Just see, very fresh and healthy. Fresh from the shamba. From the shamba to the market. So fresh. I'm just from the market right now to purchase all these. Welcome as we get along, guys. First and foremost, these potatoes. Everything you see here, as I have mentioned earlier on, it's clean. I've cleaned everything straight in our pot of sufuria, followed by these eggs, then water. I need to boil them. Salt, enough salt. Boiling them right now. for around 8 to 10 minutes. Then I'll chopping time, guys. At this point, I want to reveal what I'm going to make. With these, all of these, I want to make mango salad. So I want to chop everything here. Start with the carrot. Like that, guys. Followed by the mango. I did not want over-ripened mango. This type is okay. It's not so much ripe, but it's sweet. Next, cucumber or zucchini. I want to peel it with style, guys. You see? This is enough. I want to remove the middle part. We don't need this. Let's check the progress of the potatoes and the eggs. Potatoes are done, guys. I'll switch off fire and then let them cool for the next process. Then I cube. I'm cutting them into small cubes because I want everything to be small in size. Then we work with the zucchini. I'm also going to cube them. Next, onion. Then the mango. This is how I'm cutting the mango, ready to cube. Followed by the tomato. The next thing is this avocado. I hope it's good inside. Let me just cut. Yes, guys, it's good. It's very much okay. Our salad is here. I've chopped everything and cubed them. You see? Now it's time to mix them all together. And this is the coriander, washed and chopped. Finally, I'll add this. Mixing time. Then some salt to taste. Guys, you can add in black pepper if you want and chilies, but it's optional. Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon a coffee.
Then we do the mixing.
What's good?
I said earlier this is mango salad. That's the name I decided to give it, guys. Very yummy and delicious. Our potatoes are here and our eggs are here, ready to eat. The next thing I'll be doing is peeling off this skin like this. I've decided to do with the peeler, to remove the skin with this peeler. It's a bit faster. The shape is coming out nicely than using the hand. We're still peeling off our potatoes.
Yes.
Sprinkle some salt. Next, turmeric powder.
Turmeric.
Next, some paprika. Not so much, just a little. And then we massage. Just make sure they coat each and every potato. Potatoes are coated, ready to be roasted. We are roasting these potatoes, guys. Just wait and see. This is what we are doing. These are potatoes. You see how they are coming out nicely. They are not so oily because we already boiled them. Guys, this is all we have for today. Our salad is here. Our roast potatoes, see how good they look, so yummy. Then we have our eggs. Guys, thanks for following. That's all for today. We have a mango salad here with eggs, then a roast potato. That's how it looks like from inside. Guys, continue subscribing to my channel. Take me to 2K subscribers and we'll continue bringing things. I said cooking is art, guys. I just wake up one day, I come up with the recipe, then it goes on very well. Please subscribe and we shall continue sharing such things. God bless you. Take me to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. And for the new subscribers, please subscribe. For the returning subscribers, never leave supporting me. May God bless you. Thank you so much.